Ever since we can remember, we've been obsessed with power siblings like Mary-Kate and Ashley, Hillary and Haley Duff, and Aly and AJ. Maybe it's because we see ourselves in them. There's no one who gets you like your sister, and we're lucky to be so close to each other as friends, collaborators, and artists. So in today's video, we wanted to recreate some iconic celebrity sibling photos because we're always up for a good challenge. 1, 2, 3, wow! It's getting to a point where, like, I have coffee more frequently than I do have water. Oh, that's the same for me. But you make good coffee. Thank you. Probably because it's my recipe. I'm not wrong. But you're not right either. Wait, I wasn't listening. I think we should get dressed first and then do makeup. Yes, okay. Okay. For Gigi, I'm gonna do this black bralette and then this great like blazer. Okay, so I like already straightened my hair a bit and like did like the little like swoosh in. And then for her pick, for Bella, so a little soap promo never hurt nobody no how. So here's my white shirt. Yeah. Pants don't really matter, so I'm probably just gonna wear do like jeans or something. Yeah. The synchronicity between us drinking our coffees. It's like, it's a delicacy in our home. Honestly, you're right. Oh my god, this is like pretty accurate.
Wow, that's great.
I think I fucking nailed it. I think I nailed it. I gotta do my makeup now. That looks great. You look amazing. Yay! We got my first outfit done. I have my little green detail necklace here. Here's the shirt. Wow, I can't do a full outfit look in this room. I'm gonna sit on this chair. I'm excited about this. I would also wear this normally. This is a really fun outfit. We're about like, probably like 3 minutes out from doing our first one. Gigi and Bella. We just did Gigi and Bella, and now we're on to Aly and AJ. Aly and AJ! Oh, I'm so excited. They were like our idols growing up. Yeah, we had like a fake band called M and Cat. And now it's just M and Kit, although you just exposed your government name. Honestly, my logic has been, if you're watching this channel, it means that you care about us. Don't let nobody tell you. Going up. Don't let. Okay guys, so this tank top has a built-in, like this thing is built in, and so I like tied it around and then made it look like a freaking tie. It looks great. And then, oh my god, do you remember like all those owl necklaces from Wet Seal that were like really in? I feel like all of this whole outfit is from Wet Seal. I'm ready. Sing. Should we go shoot it? Yeah. So you're like holding it. I'm holding it with you. Yeah.
Oh shit, that is vogue, 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 vogue.
Okay, so now we're getting ready for our third look, which is crazy because I feel like we've only been doing this for like, it's flying by. Like I haven't looked at the clock, but woo, thank you. So for this look, we're inspired by this picture where Mary-Kate and Ashley are wearing berets and black turtlenecks and just kind of staring into the camera with their doe eyes. So I'm really excited because like one of my favorite things to do as a kid and to this day was like recreate their posings of like, they always do like their lips are so pursed. So for this, Emmy, you're gonna have your hair in braids. Yeah. So their pants are red and blue, but we don't have that and don't have the money to just be like, let me buy it. So instead, I was thinking we could both just wear different shades of green, and these are nice like textured pants. So I have these that are like snakeskin, and then these are the little like Kim Possible. And then we do have matching belts and then the matching berets. So the pants are gonna be different, but like who fucking cares? Yeah. Which way is it tilted? Like that? Oh, this one I'm standing on the other side this time. I really hope this is Ashley. If we're wrong, that's gonna be so embarrassing. Wait. What? I literally look like in Disney movies when they're gonna go like sneak into school like after dark, and like this is like their spy outfit. They're like, I can change the outcome of the auditions. I can go into the school at midnight, make myself the lead, and then they go in through the walls and they're like, and like this is how they're dressed. Oh. Zoomed in? Mm-hmm. Dude, we actually look like freaking twins right now. We do. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Let's do it. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul. I'm dressing as Devon. And I definitely do not have anything that she's wearing, but I'm making do with what I have. So this is what I've picked out. She is wearing like a pair of business shorts, I want to say. I have these kind of like a similar color. These are just like a linen pair of long pants, and I'm going to tuck them into a pair of brown cowboy boots. And then I've got this necklace I'm going to wear because she's wearing like a beaded necklace. And then she's wearing a light colored suit vest. So I've got this blue and white pinstripe one, and I'm just going to throw this on and maybe put a little white tank top on just because this is super low cut. And we've got our wildflower cases on our phones, which is obviously going to be a big accessory piece. Am I missing anything else, Kit? No. We're gonna be taking these ones outside to just get that like nice sky blue in the back. I think these photos are gonna be the hardest to recreate just because their poses are so specific. Yeah, and like also the lip color. Like I tried putting on brown, but it's not the same brown. But you nailed it with the eyeshadow. Oh, thank you. It's Stila. It looks really good. Are you? I'm like feel like we're ready for this one. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Wait, what's your wildflower case? Mine is Aries. Mine is Ricky Thompson. Cute. All right, on to the last one. On to the last one.